Yeah, beats.
Yeah, I'm on citrity. Blessings, some blessings.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Saygbah. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, of course. That is just my favorite part to say to my introduction, okay? So I'm from West Africa, Liberia. So today here we are doing AliPearl. Okay, sis, let's get into it first. This is the deep wave 180 density. It's 24 inch. Yes, 24. So there's the lashes. I'm gonna take it out later on so you can see what it look like. This is the detail about the hair. So the cap is a medium, the hair density is 180, and it's a 5x5, and it's a 24 inch curly hair, okay? Oh, the lace look nice. So this is it right here. So it comes with some baby hair. You put my elastic band in here for more security to make it like super tight. If y'all want me to show you how I do that, I can show you. So that's extra. I actually like that one. That's super good. And they give you this, the silk scarf. Oh, for your edges, a silk scarf. I actually like it for your edges. That came with that. Let's see what's next. What's in here? Oh, that's actually a regular scarf. Okay, I'm guessing this one is for your edges. I needed this because usually I use the elastic band, which is cool. But imagine a silk. If you use a silk one, you don't have to have like that line in it on your frontal. So it added this with it. That's that. And let's see what else come in the box. I believe this is like instructions on how to take, it's a booklet on how to take care of your hair. You know, for those of you that don't know how to like manage hair, this is excellent. It really tells you how to take care of your hair, how to wash it, how to dry it, and all that. Came with that. And it comes with this cap. I don't usually use the cap because I'm bald head, so I don't have to do the bald cap method. And also how to wash your wigs. Also another instructions. AliPearl Human Hair. How to like take care of your hair. Look at that. Perfect. And we have a bag on how to store your hair. If you want to, this is nice. This is really nice. On storing your hair, it comes with this. So if you get done with your hair, you can just throw it in here. Or if you're going out, if you're going on your little mini vacations and you need to like store your stuff, you can just put your wigs in here. That's perfect. And also it comes with an edge comb, edge brush to lay them edges. Even though I don't know how to lay edges yet, we're getting there. It came with that, so perfect. You can see I bleached it and plucked it. So this is it right here. I didn't pluck a lot of hair out of it, so that's it. And this is the inside of it. It comes with 2 combs on the sides. I'm gonna take these out because I'm not gonna use them, but I'm gonna leave the back in. So it comes with 3 combs, 2 up here, 1 down here, and the last adjustable elastic band you can just clip on. So that's that. And this is the hair, freshly washed. I haven't done nothing to it at all. It's really full, okay? Very big, like super big, big. To tint it, just to get a little bit, like I put that on the lace. Due to the fact that the hair is a closure and the lace was easy, literally the lace was so thin, so it made it very easy for this installment, okay? I used my got to be gel and of course my favorite bed hairspray. Y'all should try it. If you don't use that to apply a wig, you're missing out. You should really try it. So I applied both of those over and over. I made like 2 layers. Then I sprayed it. Make sure it get tacky. Then I applied the wig. Once I apply the wig and everything is where I want it to be, I used a small tooth comb to push the lace into my skin. Like push it into my skin. As I go over and over, I spray as I go and I blow dry. It's like the same method. I just repeat over and over till the hair is like literally
on my head and not moving. And after that, I apply my silk hair wrap, edge wrap. Then I made my part. I don't know. The part first when I made it, I feel like it wasn't where it's supposed to be, so I kept doing it over and over. I do it over and over till I get it right. Okay, this is not perfection. It's just you looking at it over and over. See if you if it satisfies you, then that's fine. But if it don't, you just keep doing it till you get it right. That's how I do mine. And you know, I rave about hot comb all day. I love hot combs. So use the hot comb, get your part how you want it to get. Make sure your part is very crispy, like crispy, crispy. I'm so dramatic with hair, y'all. So look at that laced up. For this part, I use the scissor and I use my razor, okay? You know, the whole jagged cutting. So use the razor. Don't go in straight down when you're cutting your lace. Make like jagged zigzag motion so that way the lace don't look so blunt. But for this part, I use my bad hairspray again. I love that thing. And my got to be gel. But at a certain point, I feel like the hair needed to be plucked more. So I went back in there and pluck it, baby. Pluck my life away. That's about it that I did. Then I spray it and tied it. And that was about it.
I end up not doing
There we
no
go.
baby hair. Guys, so basically this is the hair. Before I add water to it, it's like super big. So this is it before I add any product to it. Is 180 density, like I said. So this is it before I add water to it. So I'm gonna add some water and see what we'll come up with, okay? So this is it. As you can see, it can be worn like this, big hair. Okay, come through, come through, says like. Should we add the water together? I kind of like this big look. Maybe we should add water in it together and see what we'll come up with. Okay, let's add water in it together. I kind of like it like this, to be honest. I like big hair, but let's put some water in it and see what we'll come up with. Okay. With water, this is it with no water. Okay. So you see, you can wear it like this or you can wear it like this. Okay, either or. It's given. Either or is given, okay? So we're gonna put water in everything and see what we'll come up with. So let's, okay guys, this is what we are working with. This is what we have when we add water and mousse. Water and mousse. This is what we have. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'll be back. So let's see how it goes. Again, the hair detail is a deep wave 24-inch, 180 density. So go like, comment, subscribe to my video and go purchase your hair. Come on, who don't want to look this cute?